Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, as expected, the market had a small gap down, but it was an open high candle. And then, for the first 15 minutes, the market broke around 130 points and then consolidated during the day in the small range of 40-45 points. So, it was a premium eating day post the first 15-minute uh, candle. So my view was pretty clear that based on the analysis that I do, the market has to correct and it should go down. And if you see daily candles also, uh, the market has corrected and it has come down. But I try to avoid the noise that comes around me, but still I was skeptical कि हो सकता है that my analysis is wrong. And although I had shorted Nifty futures, but post this gap down, what I said is ki let me hedge huge, I mean, with huge quantity, and I bought a lot of calls throughout. The market remained over there, and whatever profit I had because of this whipsaw, I lost, and I eventually closed my day in a loss of 6,000 rupees. Instead of if we see, instead of making, if I talk about one lot in Nifty, one lot it was 160 point down. So it's like, instead of making 15,000 profit, if not 15,000, at least 12,000 profit, I ended up my day with 6,000 loss. Is because of the noise around me, which kept on talking. People kept on talking कि नहीं, market ऊपर जाएगा चढ़ जाएगा, and then I did not believe in my analysis. And just to avoid, in case I would lose everything what I have made, and I eventually lost because of this whipsaw. So things are pretty clear, guys. Do not uh, get outside noise, get into your analysis. If your analysis is wrong, you can, I mean, there is nothing wrong if you lose the money, because most of the time you are correct with your analysis. But if your analysis is correct, and if you hear somebody else and then follow that, then it becomes a problem, and then you regret ki when you are right, why did you listen to somebody else and then created such a mess. So for an intraday trader, there was nothing throughout the day, because the market was in between this range of 40-45 points with a negative bias, whereas bank nifty is the same. Although bank nifty was performing better compared to nifty, the bank nifty had just fallen by 0.2%, wherein nifty has fallen by 0.8%. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let's plan for tomorrow. So guys, this is the plan for tomorrow. I am going to sell below this level, which was an which was a low, uh, which is 18,120. This will be my first target. This is going to be my second target. On the upper side, I will be little skeptical. We can see a move, but Nifty going beyond 18,200 is very rare, because basically I don't follow much of option interest, option chain. But what I could see today with the fall, that there has been massive call writing at 18,200, 300, 400, and 500 level. The shocking part is 18,200 had huge open interest, wherein the calls have been written. So if this is breached, and if the market stands here for more than 15 minutes about this, then that 8,200 call writers have to go for cover, which can propel the market till this. But I'm pretty sure that we are not breaking this level of 18,260, which is our open high, and this will act as a huge resistance in our coming days. So this is the plan. Buy above this first 15-minute candle. This is my first target. If we don't cross this, come down below this, is a sell. First target, second target. Now let me give you some idea about why I was negative on markets. See, guys, I'll tell you something about RSI as well. See, when the markets were over here, this was the recent top that we made in the month of September. Okay, or even prior to that, over here, when we made an high on 18th August. After that, this engulfing candle came, which signifies that it is going to return. But over here, we had signals of doji, wherein market was trying to go up, but there were people who wanted the market to come down. So this was a confusion. Here there was no confusion. Over here, if you see, this was also clear, kind of in doji, and then a gap down which was bought, but then this was never broken, and this became a triple top. So if you see over here, market topped out over here when RSI was close to 6870. Now at the same level, when I see RSI was strong at this level. After that, the market is rising, but RSI was not rising, which signifies even though the price is going high, but there is no strength in the market, and market has to come back, which is what it happened. So when people talking about, markets are strong and it can go further, I was prepared, and if you see my videos, I was pretty sure that the market has to correct and it can come down, and this is the level where I'm looking to add huge bull position, as well as initiate a lot of portfolio positions over here. So yeah. So, and this is what happened after 4 5 days, 6 days of consolidation. The market came out of this box, and today was the final confirmation that market is not going to touch 18,600 pretty soon before the retracement, and maybe slowly and steadily, but we will come down. And the moment we come here, consolidate for some time over here, then we are out. But in case we close this high, we go beyond this high, which means this retracement is failed and we can continue. And if that happens, then Nifty has to wait a lot of time to reach 21,500, which is my ambitious target. But this if this retracement comes, then market consolidates and then starts, then it will be quite sooner that we will see that level of 21,000, 21,500 soon. So yes, this was daily. I'll show you. See, the chart, if you go up and this is down, retracement has to come till this level. Yes, approximately to this level. And if you remember on a weekly chart, also I had mentioned that after 4 weeks of Nifty being in green, this was the first week when it was in negative, and Monday being the first day, we have broken the low of the previous week. So this is going to be a major resistance if the bears have to take the market down, which is at around again 18,200. And as I saw today, 18,200 had massive call writing today. So weekly, daily, everything is as per the view that I'm sharing. Even here, if you see market at this same level, when on not on this date, but in this date, RSI was around what 63 here, and the closing was on top of around 70 80 point higher, no, 100 point higher. But even 100 point down, RSI is at below. So let me tell you what I'm trying to explain. So if you see from here till here, it's a either a flat line or a line which is going down. But if I connect this 100 point up, say 100 point down, then it's a slanting, which means price is right going down, and this is flat, but it is not flat, it is actually going down. Okay. So this was on the weekly chart, and on the daily chart, the it is pretty nice and clear that even though RSI was at 70, market was around the same level, and today also the market is the same level, but RSI is going down, which is called the divergence. So if I do a flat line like this over here, see this line, but RSI here is saying was I want to go down. So the momentum or the strength is missing in the market. That is the reason, one of the reason why I was down apart from the candles. So I hope this is a good session today and things work out. I'm carrying multiple short positions in index, and I would only exit the moment I first will book a partial loss in case I the market closes above this open high candle, and then complete exclosure in case the market closes this, and then we'll have initial a fresh position for 18,600. Guys, I am going to open uh, December month future position the moment we cross, when we come to this 18,000 level, a small pilot position, and then a sizable position at this retracement zone when the market consolidates, either in the month of December expiry or January expiry. And if required, I will keep on rolling that for a good future, a good target in future. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful trading day, and don't make the mistake of listening to others. Believe in your view and strategy and trade your plan. Thank you very much for listening, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic trading and profitable day tomorrow. Thank you.